Ready to blast off into the world of decentralized finance and master the art of trading on Uniswap. First, you'll need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Download and set one up. This is your portal to the DeFi universe. Next, head over to the Uniswap website and click Connect Wallet. Choose your wallet provider and follow the prompts to grant access. Now for the fun part, swapping tokens. Select the token you want to trade from and the token you want to receive. Enter the amount, and Uniswap will automatically calculate the estimated output. Keep an eye on slippage. This is the percentage difference you're willing to accept between the estimated and actual price. Also, understand gas fees, which are transaction costs on the Ethereum network. Adjust these based on network congestion. Explore liquidity pools. These pools fuel Uniswap, and you can even become a liquidity provider by contributing tokens to a pool. Be aware of impermanent loss, which is the temporary loss of value that can occur when providing liquidity. Analyzing token metrics is key. Research projects, understand their utility, and assess their market capitalization to make informed trading decisions. Stay updated with the Uniswap community. Follow news, forums, and social media to be aware of platform updates and emerging trends. Diversify your portfolio, manage risks, and most importantly, practice responsible trading. With these tips, you're well on your way to conquering Uniswap.